Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week I'm finishing off the Gears and Guns expansion set for Zombicide Undead or Alive. This is the Steam Monster Abomination. It was black and white Zenithal primed and I get started with Dwarven skin for all of his exposed skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I add some highlights to that skin with Elven skin, just bringing up all of those raised muscles. For what remains of his shirt, I get started with a base coat of Grimy Grey. To highlight the shirt and make it look more of a dirty white colour, I went for all the raised sections with silver grey. The skin needed to look a little bit more dead and rotten, so I went for a wash of Necrosis green wash. This gives it that green tint but doesn't push it too far that he looks like an orc. Now the wash has dried, I get started on the remaining clothing. Everything gets a once over of Death Reaper, as I want this to look black, but I still want to add some depth to it, so I need that lighter grey. As with all my Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. There are a few bones sticking out of his back that get done with Skeleton Legion. To highlight the suit, I use Dungeon Stone Grey. This primarily is a highlight to bring out the tops of the folds and the flat areas. I also add some definition and variation to some of the different sections. For all of the metal parts, I went for a shining silver. There isn't too much metal on this mini, so I just done everything in silver. There was really no point in adding the gold. It wouldn't add anything to the mini. To wash the suit and the metal parts, I used Oblivion Black Wash. Adding some texture to the base, I added AK Interactive Sandy Desert Texture Paste. Being a zombie, I had to add some blood effects in, so I used Vampire Thirst and just dabbed it on into places. And that will be it for the Steam Monster and the end of the Gears and Guns expansion. Now I'm on to the Kickstarter exclusives. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.